Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to uninstall Google Drive from your PC or desktop. So if you want to uninstall or delete your application, you can delete, or if you want to just disconnect your Gmail ID or Google ID from Google Drive, you can also do that. Okay, so first I will show you how you can uninstall it or delete the application. Go to the start button and find the control panel from here and just see your installation window, programs and features, and here you can see all your installed software and application. From here just find the Google Drive. So this one, just right click on it and you can uninstall easily. Just click on it and it will be uninstalled. So your Google Drive will be disconnected from your folder or files and it will be removed from here. So second way, just if you want to disconnect your Google Drive, don't want to remove, just disconnect from your Google account, just find the Google Drive, just click on it and here you will see this drive option. Just click on right, and now just click on this gear icon and just click on this quit, so your account will be disconnect from your Google Drive. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.